What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to work on replacing these old foggy headlights with these new crystal clear LEDs. Alright, so these headlights are pretty simple. You can take them all out by hand. Basically, you're going to pull out this pin right here. Make sure you're holding to the pin. And the headlights will start to pop out. One's actually broken already. You can see it's moving. If you look down in here, there's a clip, and you gotta press down on this clip, and it'll pop right on out. And there we go. It was broken. And just like the top one, make sure you don't touch the bulbs with your oily fingers. Let's start with the top headlight this time, because we gotta run these daytime running light wires. We're going to stick it through this plastic on the back to make it easier in the long run. This one's going to put the pin in, and as you can see, it does not actually fit in the hole. So we're going to have to drill out this hole a little tiny bit to make it seem so this is out. Alright, we're back with the holes drilled out a little bit more, and they're going to fit pretty good. So let's plug back in our lights, and we'll get this thing in. Alright, so on the back of the lower headlight, we have the daytime running lights, right? We have these two wires we need to tap in. And what we're going to do, we're going to put the white wire to the brown wire in the truck and the black to the blue. As you can see over here, what we're going to plan on doing is we're going to cut this back a little bit, and we're going to cut the wires, and we're going to put them all together. Alright, so we're going to cut these wires about halfway. Make sure we keep this safe. We're going to go ahead and we're going to strip the wire. Okay, so now we have all the ends all stripped off. Now we're going to twist the brown to the white and the blue to the black. Alright, so now they're all crimped up and ready, we're going to do a little tug test, and we're going to then wrap them in this electrical tape. We got the passenger side in, and now we're going to do the same thing just on the driver's side. Alright, there we have it. All the headlights are all back in. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.